Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Today, we are going to learn action vocabularies with sentence.
Sing. We sing along to all the songs. Turn on. I'll turn on the heater. Turn off. Please turn off the alarm clock. Open. The door suddenly swung open. Close. If you are cold, close the window. Throw away. Throw away clothes you don't wear. Cut. I cut the cake in half. Give. Give it to me. Cook. I have to go and cook the dinner. Push. To push the switch to on. Pull. The little boy pulled her hair. Climb. We used to climb trees and play by the lake. Listen. I tried to listen to him carefully.
Think. I think this is their house. Crawl. The baby begins to crawl. Kick. She gave the door a kick. Clap. The men danced and the women clapped. Sneeze. Pepper makes me sneeze. Sit down. I just want to sit down and relax. Smile. She gave me a big smile.
If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.